Decapoint, or raphigraphy, was a tactile form of the Latin script invented by Louis Braille as a system that could be used by both the blind and sighted. It was published in 1839. Letters retained their linear form, and so were legible without training to the sighted, but the lines were composed of embossed dots like those used in Braille. Each letter contained 10 dots in the height and different dots in the width to produce the graphic form of print. The reason for the development of this writing was that relatives of the students could not read Braille. These letters were not easy for the blind to write because of their height of 10 dots despite grid. It therefore did not take long for the blind friend of Louis Braille, Pierre-François Victor Foucault, in 1841 to build the first apparatus, the raphograph, which could push all the points of one column of characters at the same time into the paper. This font was now named raphigraphy, raphigraphy or raphigraphy. When the first typewriters were invented, they repressed quickly the complicated raphigraphy or decapoint, despite the impossibility for the blind to read the writing of typewriters. And so the decapoint or raphigraphy fell into oblivion, but it was the first digital font of Latin letters ever. References. Louis invents decapoint, American Foundation for the Blind. Source: Louis Braille, brochure from 1839, French Nouveau procédé pour représenter des points la forme même des lettres, les cartes de géographie, les figures de géométrie, les caractères de musique, etc. L'usage des aveugles, new method for representing by dots the form of the letters themselves, maps, geometric figures, musical symbols, etc. For use by the blind. The raphigraphy by Louis Braille in 1839, character set worked up optically, German.